Hi, I'm Paul. I'm not an electronic expert, but I always want to build real smart device from scratch. And I'm learning step by step, just like you. We will start with absolute basics, just a simple LED. And one step at a time we will keep upgrading, adding buttons, sensors, displays, memory, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and even web interface. Eventually we will push it so far that it can connect to real monitors like VGA, HDMI or DisplayPort. I don't know how the final device will look. I will make mistakes and we will debug them together. By the end we will both truly understand how everything works. Not just copy code, but really learn electronics the right way. So if you're interested and want to join the journey, subscribe and let's build it together, one step at a time.